Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your desktop computer. Roblox offers a vast universe of user-created games and experiences, all accessible from your personal computer. To begin your adventure, you will first need to download the official Roblox player application. This essential software acts as your gateway to millions of unique virtual worlds, ensuring a smooth and immersive gaming experience right from your desktop. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, you will need to either log into your existing Roblox account or quickly create a brand new one. After logging in, simply select any game you wish to play, and the website will automatically prompt you to download the Roblox player. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to install the application, which usually takes just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will find the Roblox player icon conveniently placed on your desktop. Double-click this icon to launch the application and enter the exciting world of Roblox. Inside the player, you can browse through thousands of diverse, user-created games spanning countless genres. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on its thumbnail, and then press the prominent play button to instantly join the action and begin your adventure. With Roblox installed, you are now ready to explore an almost limitless array of games and experiences. Beyond playing, you can personalize your avatar with millions of unique outfits and accessories, making your character truly your own. Connect with friends, join them in their favorite games, or even create your own virtual worlds. Roblox offers endless opportunities for creativity, social interaction, and fun, all from the comfort of your desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.